My name is Devin, and I'm here to teach you about ATV safety. First of all, always wear a helmet that's DOT approved when you're riding ATVs. Here I have my gloves, long sleeves, long pants, motocross racing boots that are above the ankle, and my chest pads. Hi, my name's Hunter. I'm a working driver. I have over-the-ankle leather boots, pants that go all the way down. I have a long sleeve on, gloves, and a helmet with eye protection. Check out more about ATV safety at atvsafety.org. Remember, ride safe, ride smart, get out there.